Are you sick of your washing machine smelling or your clothes coming out smelly? Then take this advice from a domestic appliance engineer. I've been doing this my whole life. On an empty load, set your washing machine to 90 degrees. You don't need a spin. Put an extra rinse on if you've got that option. Put a dishwasher tablet in the drum and let it run through. When it's finished, just run your fingers around the inside of the drum and make sure there's no grime left over, because if there is, you might need a separate rinse. If you've never done this before, you will definitely need a few rinses afterwards. You'll be amazed by the results. Let me know in the comments.